My name is Jeroen van Glabbeek. I'm CEO of CM Telecom. It's a company here in London, but also in Amsterdam and in Germany and Belgium. And next to that, I'm also the founder of the Mobile Convention. And the Mobile Convention is all about gathering people together in different places like Amsterdam, Brussels and London and talking about the future of mobile and all the possibilities and inspiring each other. Yeah, today was very inspiring. We saw a lot of different speakers about creativity, about privacy a little bit, about how will people react to mobile in the future. And what I especially liked today was that it was about humans and about interaction, not so much anymore about technology, what's possible, because we now know almost everything is possible, but it's just how to adapt all this technology in the real society. And that was interesting. Also to see how different people felt about it, what the questions still are. And step by step, I think we get in the future as an industry together. And today was very helpful for that. I think it's a small step forward. Yeah, at CM we are in the field of mobile messaging and mobile payments. We do that now for 15 years. And 15 years ago there was no market at all. It was last century actually. Yeah? But now it's a professional industry. We work worldwide. We do a lot of messages for big companies, for one-time passwords, to add security for companies, and also we do a lot of CRM, customer relationship, one-on-one personal mass communication actually. And mobile is a very good method to do that. And we do it in very different industries like healthcare, governments, banks, insurance companies, marketing. Actually, I think all the companies have or need to have a mobile strategy at this moment, and it involves always communications and step by step more mobile payments, because that's the next nitty-gritty. How can we do mobile payments in an easy way and convert all the wishes people have to actually sales for our customers? Yeah, I think there are two worlds at this moment. The old world, which is still very profitable for big companies like operators and banks, but also we saw Unilever today, and they still earn money by just selling products in grocery stores, and it works for them. And on the other hand, you feel that the audience they want to do business in a different way, to be more engaged, to pay more easily, to get involved with the brands, and there are two worlds actually we have to combine, and I think the solution for this all is what we call hybrid. That you have a method to do the old way with for example text messaging and old-fashioned phones, which everybody has nowadays, and also the new things with like we saw here 3D, virtual reality, and the applications, smartphones, and push notifications. And we as a company at CM Telecom try to combine those two worlds, delivering products for our clients to do everything, to reach everybody, and then if we are successful with that, everybody can join us, and that's also what the goal is for Mobile Convention today, to let everybody join this new ecosystem. And I think the people who will come on board, they will do have the future. Yeah, you hear a lot about privacy, but I think trust is more important. Without trust, there's no business. There was no business in the past without trust, and there will no business without trust in the future. The trust is everything, and privacy is, I think, also relevant. But everybody's talking about it on gatherings like this. But in the real world, on the street, where all the cameras are and everybody gets filmed and recognized all the time, people don't bother that much. People are willing to share everything on Facebook, for example, if they just get services they like, which are personalized for them. So I think what the audience wants is personalization, and that people take care about them and human interactions. And that's also a little bit contradictory to privacy. So I hope we as a business can step forward and go into personalization and into engagement more than we can leave the privacy game a little bit behind, because that won't help us forward, I think. Yeah, I'm still a bit dizzy actually because I was just trying the Oculus Rift and I've been in Africa and Iceland and in a lot of countries just in a few minutes. Yeah, it's nice to see all this virtual reality. Just as also the Samsung, just a Galaxy phone before in lenses, and it just works. But actually, it's quite simple technology. With below 1,000 euros or pounds, and it just worked, and it was very impressive. And it's nice to see all these companies trying things out. Like Nissan, I saw a demo, and here the 3D machine actually making things. It's nice to see all this technology, and actually everything combines now. It's not anymore about mobile. What's mobile anyway? But this is about making things and communication, and yeah, I think this 3D visualization. It's the beginning of a new area.